Hello there, Windows 10 users. Have you ever forgotten your Wi-Fi password and need to connect a new device? Well, we've got you covered. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to quickly find your Wi-Fi password on Windows 10. Let's get started. Welcome. If you're looking to retrieve your Wi-Fi password on Windows 10, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Begin by opening the control panel on your Windows 10 device. You can do this by typing Control Panel in the search bar and selecting it from the results. Step 2. In the Control Panel window, click on Network and Internet to access the network settings. Step 3. Within the Network and Internet section, locate and click on Wi-Fi. Step 4. Now, within the Wi-Fi settings, click on Network and Sharing Center. Step 5. In the Network and Sharing Center window, look for the option Change Adapter Settings on the left pane and click on it. Step 6. Double-click on your wireless adapter to access its properties. Step 7. Within the wireless adapter properties, click on the Wireless Properties button. Step 8. A new window will appear. Click on the Security tab. Step 9. To reveal the Wi-Fi password, check the box next to Show Characters in the Network Security Key field. And voila! You have successfully found your Wi-Fi password on Windows 10. Now you can easily connect new devices to your network without any hassle.